Hey guys, this is Escagedo Woodworking, and we wanted to make a video of all the projects that we've created this past year. So we have a lot of video projects on our channel, and these are going to be clips of this, a recap, like a video portfolio. So if you want to check any of them out in full, just head over to Escagedo Woodworking here on YouTube. And so a lot can happen in a year, and we've had progress as well as drawbacks, difficulties, and that's life, right? So enjoy the video. If you do, consider subscribing to our channel, Escagedo Woodworking.
Commissioned to make a named cake topper. Used Photoshop to print out the name. Scroll saw blade in there. So everything's painted. That's about it. Until it dried somewhat. And did the same for the lenses. We'll call it a day. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing. And drew on the skull shape from an image I found online. Very basic shape of a skull. So we're gonna go ahead and screw those arms on. 4 screws, countersunk, and I'm gonna let that seep in as much as possible. Thank you so much. Your decorations on. So here we're going to add flat black spray paint on and then wipe it off. I'm cutting out 2 wings. See, this is they're nice and snug. And just to orange up the wood color.